Most people get this wrong when they try to recover a Mistplay account. They either create a new account immediately, or uninstall the app too many times, which actually makes recovery harder. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most Mistplay account issues are recoverable if you follow the right steps in the right order. In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Mistplay account in 2026, why accounts get locked or lost, and the exact steps to restore access without losing your progress or rewards. Let's start with what usually goes wrong. Mistplay accounts are tied to your login method, like Google Play or email. So when someone like Alex switches phones or reinstalls the app without logging in correctly, the system may treat it like a new user. That is where confusion starts. Your account is not gone. It is just not being accessed correctly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most recovery problems fall into 3 categories: login issues, sync issues, or account restrictions. Each one has a different fix. Let's start with login issues. If you cannot log in, first check the exact method you used originally. Mistplay does not merge accounts easily. So if you used Google Sign-In before, you must use the same Google account again. Even a small mismatch can create a completely new profile. But here's the problem. Many users try different login methods repeatedly, and that can create duplicate accounts. That makes recovery more complicated. Next is sync issues. Sometimes your account exists but does not show progress correctly. In that case, force close the app, clear cache, and log back in using your original method. This often restores your points and game history. Now, let's talk about restrictions. If Mistplay detects unusual activity like VPN use, device switching, or policy violations, your account may be temporarily restricted. In that case, recovery requires contacting support directly. Keep your message simple, include your email, and explain the issue clearly without creating multiple tickets. In a minute, here's the most important step most users skip completely. Always check your original email inbox for Mistplay confirmation messages. This helps you confirm the exact account tied to your rewards and prevents login confusion. So to wrap it up, Mistplay account recovery in 2026 depends on using the correct login method, fixing sync issues carefully, and contacting support only when necessary. Most accounts are not lost, just misaccessed. If this helped you understand how to recover your account, like the video, comment your issue, and subscribe for more clear fixes on reward apps and earning platforms.